Okay. Now let's go to see.
1 second. Bring the page.
Come on, question 25. What's it?
Uh, I think letter A.
Letter A? No. Try again.
Letter D.
So letter D is correct. We need to prove. As I told you, always check the rules. Is before calling complete? Yes, it's a complex sentence.
Yes. Yes.
After calling, I don't care. It can be complete or not. But is it explanation in this part? Yes, explanation tells you how or why the goats are notoriously indiscriminate. It means they don't make difference between the plants. They eat everything. You know, that's why he said they devour all kinds. You catch it?
Yes.
Right. So now this is it's yours. Come on, what is
Uh, I think letter B because it's plural. B. B.
letter B correct? Always find the subject. He said here the toxins. Look, the toxins that the organism uses to protect itself from predation actually. So this is the subject. Here we have a clause, but we don't have which, right? Or
Yes.
ask, or ask yourself what increases its attractiveness to predators, toxins. It's a plural. And use the hack, singular, 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 but not most common. Okay, but 27.
Yes. Letter D.
Letter D, sure.
D.
27, letter D, correct. Could you tell me why?
It's like what's it? Fact and not the fact. Cause and effect.
How cause and effect عبد الرحمن finally steps he said then.
ايوه بس في كوز برضك في الاخر حصل كذا. ده كوز حصل اللي قبليه.
That is means a sequence of action. First happened, then happened, finally happened. It
يس. اه
is
يس صح.
okay. But what means earlier? We're seeing. Earlier means that the action happened before another action. Is
Yes.
that action happened before that action?
No.
So that means the earlier wrong.
That's it.
28.
Letter A.
Letter A, correct. That is right. 29.
Letter B.
29. Letter B.
What?
29, it's letter B, correct. Good job.
Yes.
Number 30.
Number 30. Letter C.
30, letter C, sure.
Yes.
Okay, it's letter C, correct. 31.
Letter D.
Letter D, that is brilliant. 32.
Letter C.
Well, let's try again.
Letter B.
So now letter B, it's correct. Always focus on the question. Besides the sample collected from. So information about what is the sample exactly. As I mentioned here, feel it?
Yes.
My dear, you did it. 33.
Letter A.
Letter A wrong. Let's try again.
Letter D.
Sure.
Yes.
So 33, it's not letter D. Let's answer it together. He said wanted to indicate which category most routine diplomatic correspondence belongs in. So which category? Based on how sensitive information is classified. So when you go to read, find only this part. It's a go to check. He said here having the potential to damage national security if disclosed. Most routine diplomatic correspondence is classified as confidential. Let's see that. Look, information that could cause damage to national security is as routine diplomatic correspondence.
بس أنا ما فهمتش السؤال يعني السؤال نفسه.
We need to know which category classified as what, you know it already. We are talking about routine diplomatic correspondence. Here, most routine diplomatic correspondence, if disclosed, could cause damage. If it causes damage, it's classified as confidential, as I mentioned. Hear that? So which category? Either this one, described as damage, and the damage classified as confidential. So this is letter C. In letter B, we didn't mention confidential. In letter D, we didn't mention confidential. In letter A, he add confidential. But he adds something wrong. According to US government, which classifies such sensitive as routine, confidential information could damage. He didn't mention that this one classified as. Did you mention? He said that confidential information could damage. Okay, but he didn't mention classified as. Look, as I asking the question. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, that is the end. Come on, let's do it faster. Now let's answer it. عبد الرحمن I like you.
What?
Come on, letter what?
B.
Yeah, you answered correct. I like you to do it faster. He said methodology. Methodology يعني الطريقة اللي فيها البحث. صح كده؟
الإيه؟ الإيه؟
methodology method الطريقة اللي فيها البحث. There is noise around here. Understand?
لا الصوت مقطع. ميثودولوجي اللي هي إيه؟
Methodology قلنا the way of searching. الطريقة اللي هم نفذوا بيها عملية البحث دي. عملوا إيه؟ أهو examine the students' policies.
Okay.
In the notes. But they do it very quickly. As he said, look, examining. This line has the message. Look, they reviewed and examined. يبقى how did they take copy paste? Go to the library, go to the field, find the people, meet people, interview people. How? How did they find the information? That's it.
Yes.
Next one, very quickly.
What's the generalization؟ يعني example ولا معنى؟ Yeah, the
Generalization,
meaning.
the meaning of the word. Generalization حاجة عامة. اديني معلومات عامة عن إيه. What ultra immersion defense, for example.
Okay. Letter C.
So letter C is the best answer, right?
Yes.
Why D is wrong?
B.
Why D is wrong. ما جابش حاجة عن الالترا مارسز خالص. ده بيقول while Kepler challenge is one. This is not this opposite. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that's why. So we need something related to that question only. So be careful. Okay, my dear. Come on, next book.
letter A.
letter A wrong. try again. هنا عبد الرحمن بيقول summarize the hypothesis. what is the hypothesis؟ ايه هو الشيء اللي افترضوه؟ إيه الفكرة اللي افترضوها عشان يثبتوها؟ that is the point. this is one ان ال humans may have first arrived in the Americas by sea traveling between Pacific Ocean islands and coastlines. اهو راح خالص كده. يقول ايه؟
طب
archaeologists.
طب أبعد اللي هي the researchers think that the coastal route دي
ماشي،
هي
ما بقول،
الهايبوثيسيس.
ما هو هنا في البوينتس بيقول argue زي بيناقشوا discuss ايه؟ discuss البوينت دي يبقى هم افترضوا دي. وبعد كده قال لي بص they propose بيقترح انا مش متاكد هو لسه بيقترح افكار عشان يثبت الفكره ايه ان هم زي يبقى كده دي الهايبوثيسيس. ماليش دعوه بقى بالديتيلز بعدها. استنى، دي بتتكلم هنا عن الزون مش دعوه بيها. research think that not related to the hypothesis يبقى لازم الاجابه بتاعتي فيها الحته دي بس. yes or no.
Yes.
بس. وحتى هو قال لك this proposed scenario is known as highway hypothesis. بس that's fine. Okay, you did your best, so it's letter C. Now the next, very quickly.
letter A.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You think it's letter A. The letter A that is brilliant. Correct. Now always focus what does it need exactly. Come on. Good job. Next.
Okay. letter D.
Letter D. That is fantastic. Look, whereas make comparison between them. That's brilliant. Jump. Remember, look here. Make and support. And to say what is the orbits and what support this. This means we need the idea and the conclusion. Let's try.
Okay. Letter D, I think.
You not to think, but this is sure. Number one, what is the generalization? He tells you orbit around the sun over time, and then he gives you example to prove it. Support. As he mentioned here, he gives example. The orbit of
Yes.
example, and they lay between the orbits. That's why. But why is wrong? Why A, he gives you information about the comments, but only focus about the number of comments, not the examples. So letter A focus only about make a generalization, but there is no any supporting by evidence, for example.
يعني دي صح.
ما هو دي correct. عايزين نعرف ايه wrong ليه؟ هو ايه اتكلم على الميك generalization لكن ما جابش evidence اللي هو support.
طيب طب دي ما اتكلمش عن الميك.
بيركز وبيقول لك ميك generalization يعني اديني معلومات عن الاوربت. ايه الاوربت ده؟ ادالك معلومات عنها بس ما عملش evidence.
اه.
يبقى هنا عايزين في اجابتك حاجتين: generalization وفي support ليه. السبورت ده ممكن يكون evidence، ممكن يكون examples، statistics، اي حاجه تثبت ان كان في اوربت. اهو قال لك اهو ميلي موجود هناك، يبقى ده بيثبت اهو. yes or no.
Yes.
that is the point. طيب نيجي بقى عند لتر سي. لتر سي ادالك اكزامبل اللي هو السبورت. طب فين الجنراليزيشن؟ مش تقول لي هو الاوربت ده او ايه اللي بيحصل، صح كده؟ يبقى في الاسئله دي
Yes.
برضه بنألف لك اجابه عن واحده بس، واحيانا بنجيب لك بوينت مش موجوده اصلا في التكست او مالهاش علاقه بالسؤال اصلا. في ده.
Yes.
That's why زي كده مثلا بص كده like Aranis. هل احنا هنا في comparison في البوينتس عمل comparison between Uranus and Jupiter Mars؟ مفيش comparison. فدي بقى النقطة اللي قلت لك عليها، خلي بالك في الانسر في comparison بس في البوينتس او التكست مفيش comparison. yes or no.
Yes.
very good try. next easy one.
What the meaning of granted?
Here granted just like you added from the word grant.
What?
Just like you see when we have provided,
Yes.
and if you don't know granted, it checks the answers. وعبد الرحمن لما اقول provided يعني ايه؟ يعني حاجه تم اثباتها، صح؟ فلما
Yes.
اقول by granted بمعنى حصلنا عليها، يعني it's already true. That's why. فلما اقول مثلا ايه granted that my father's story about the commercials on social media is correct. يبقى انا بقول لك قبل ما نبدا كده ان هي before you saying something يعني بتقول ان هي correct. فهل احنا بقى بنثبت ان هي correct ولا هنا جبنا examples؟ طب عبد الرحمن عايزك تركز معايا ممكن؟ الترانزيشن ووردز دي عن تو ايديز صح؟ فين هم بقى؟ مش ملاحظ هنا ان الترانزيشن وورد دي في نص الجمله الثانيه اللي هي دي، يبقى دي
Yes.
السكند سنتنس ودي فيرست سنتنس. ذاتس ا بوينت. احنا بقى بنقول لك الجمله الثانيه دي ايه علاقتها بالاولانيه؟ هو بس اللي عمله ان هو حط لك دي فين؟ في نص الجمله. ما تجيش انت تقرا دي بس، لازم الاول. دي كده كلها حاجه واحده عشان هي في النص. بص كوم هنا وكوم هنا، يبقى دي علاقتها ايه؟ examples. yes or no.
Yes.
that's it. يبقى سو هنا for instance. طب ليه ما قلناش granted؟ ما هو ده مش evidence اللي قبله، ده example ليه. طبعا هنا مفيش سيكونس عشان اقول لاست وفيرست وسكند وثيرد وزين، مفيش كده. واحنا ما بنزودش اصلا اللي قبلها، ده احنا بنجيب اكزامبل يثبتها. yes or no.
Yes.
that's why. let's go to the next.
مثل دي.
letter D. I don't think so. hence cause and effect. cause and effect يعني هل الجملة اللي قبلها دي فيها سبب للجملة دي ولا لا؟ هو ده السؤال. طب انت مش عارف تثبت دي، طب اثبت يا اخي ايه؟ يقول specifically. وهنا specifically معناها ايه؟ الانفورميشن اللي في الجملة دي، صح كده؟ تعمل ايه؟ provides specific, precise, accurate details about something before. يبقى انا قلت هنا فاكت، بقى قلت لك بالاخص حاجه، يبقى هدي لك تفاصيل محدده عن حاجه ايه؟ عن حاجه هنا، صح كده؟
Yes.
تعال نشوف اه ارث